Ah, yes. Day 3. We meet again. What to do with you. Going out there. Okay, first order of business, make this not be right here. That had absolutely no business being as difficult as it was. Anyways, the pathway. What the? Did I just have a stroke? Anyway, the pathway to the outdoors is now open.
Darling, you send me. I know you send me. Darling, you.
What we got in here?
I know you
Monster.
send me. Darling, you.
Okay, all right. Here's to the hopes that maybe behind this seat, there's some money to fund this project. You ready? Custom floor pans in this bad mama jamma. Look at this. Bam! Direct access to your master cylinder. How wonderful. Now, also, little did I know until I looked up a moment ago, came with a friend that not doing too good. What do you think of when you look at lights inside of a truck? Like, right, like you open your door in a late model vehicle, lights the cabin, right? Well, you got a standard cabin light, dome lights, usually up there. Well, what about if you had the lighting amenities of your home? Yeah, spiffy. Pretty sure that's supposed to be like that. Well, few less wires, no janky fuse, but that is leaving. That right there, that parking brake assembly has got to go. And also, this has got to go as well, this gas tank assembly. I'm wondering if I could fit a battery back here. Is it time already? Time to get the suck on. Oh my God, I didn't break out the sandblaster today, but you know what I did get? Got to see my homie Cam. Look at that. Well, we can't go fishing today. But might I say, you sure are looking mighty Caucasian with your Colombian.
Shit,
Columbia
fire, man.
hat on.
I got a Columbia Sherpa too.
I don't even own a Sherpa. Cam,
Yes.
what do we do?
We got this some bitch out.
Yeah, yeah.
See fire. Let's get it.
Shit far, fella. Now that is an astronomical improvement already. Final order of business today.
Get this some bitch out.
Yeah, boy. Here we go, fella.
Damn, I drank too much Michelob.
And bumper is off. So, that means that concludes our day. What do you say, Cam?
See fire we put in there.
Hey,
Work.
quit this shit.
Man, we worked a little hard today. You know what I'm saying? Got some stuff done. Hopefully we get some more stuff done tomorrow. I should be back by tomorrow.
Yup. Except it's probably gonna be raining, so it's debatable. We might get the back bumper off and maybe do some more prep work, but other than that, I mean, I think that kind of concludes the actual day. I guess it's gym time. Catch you later, folks.